What's going on, you guys? Joey here at Ready Power, here to talk about some benefits of our commercial grade electric pressure washer, one of them being this triplex pump. Now the triplex pump will give you the ability to feed water from a bucket or a gravity feed tank straight into the machine. This is because the triplex pump actually draws water from the bucket or the tank. Now unlike the pressure washers that you buy at your local retailer that use an axial cam pump. You're probably asking yourself, what's the difference between a triplex pump and an axial cam pump? Glad you asked. The triplex pump is a mechanically driven piston, much like a car engine, allowing it to create its own suction. Whereas the lower cost axial cam pump is a spring return piston, like an intake valve on a car intake. Now this spring doesn't produce enough force to create its own suction, and that's why it needs a pressurized water source. If you want to bucket feed the machine like we are in this video, you're going to need to prime your pump first. That means dunking your hose in water and allowing all the air bubbles to escape. This is going to fill the pump with water and create your suction. Now remember, when gravity feeding or bucket feeding the pump, you want to use the shortest hose possible. In this video, we actually used a 5-foot hose, and I wouldn't suggest using anything longer than 5 feet. That being said, let's get into the demonstration. Damaged